damn.
Sorry now, Captain.
Oh, that geezer, that hitchhiker geezer, he's from Telford, banned from Death Free. I'm pretty sure Freeze in Telford, mate. Real bad man.
Yeah, really bad.
I don't like playing scary games, to be fair. Go shit myself.
The fact that this is actually real as well, that this really happens. Well, not this exact
This
thing.
is true.
What? No, not this game.
Like the film, based on true story.
Yes, based on the truth. You never know. You never knew. Google, bro, go on your Alexa right now.
Yo, Alexa. Is Texas Chainsaw Massacre? Yo, what's she airing me? Alexa. Is Texas Chainsaw Massacre a real story? No, bro, it's not. What are you on about?
Bro, hold on. I'll Google it for you, bro. Since you're
Texas Chainsaw Massacre. No. Alexa. Is the Texas Chainsaw Massacre based on true events?
Based off a true story. That's what you should have said.
Oh yeah, Rory's.
Okay then.
Go on, bro.
You're testing me, bro. Okay then.
Oh god, I'm making a noise.
I'll make the noise as well.
So I'm just getting it, bro, okay? Get me out of the ropes, bro. Is that you next to me?
Is this you?
Are
you walking through the door? You used to open the door?
No, I got a ginger bitch on my team.
Oh no.
I don't uncrouch.
Right there. No, we don't make no noise or anything. No sound, no nothing, bro. Just follow my team.
Dad, why are you full sprinting your fucking sausage?
You just followed my teammate.
You make any noise, I'm gonna back you.
Oh, it's based on a true story, bro. Uh-oh.
You clever, bro.
He's on me. Did you see me? Did you know I'm there? Wait, did I just get away with it? Oh my days, I managed to hide and get away from him.
I got help, I'm like...
A shortcut?
What, I'm confused, do you make noise if you run?
I don't know, that's why I'm crouching, I'm staying crouched.
Yes, sir. Ooh! Flipping in the barbed wire and that, bro. Oh, fuck. Is that next to me? No, right. Keep still to avoid detection by the path. You've been detected. Oh my god. The kid right by me has been detected. And bite me at the fucking sausage. It's LB to run as well, by the way. Lad! Fucking geezer's making too much noise. Oh god.
Uh-oh.
Why's got a fucking weapon?
My heart is beating quick, bro.
Malik, is that you, Black? Is that you, woman? Running?
No.
Oh, it's the killer! Oh, fuck!
I heard you get swung at, bro.
Oh my god, I didn't know it was the killer. I thought he was useless. Oh my god, I just punched him.
Yo, I heard it, bro. I heard you get hit.
Walking on dead ups, bro.
I don't know what to do right now, bro. I want to hide right now, but for content, I don't think I should.
Don't hide, bro. Don't be a bitch. I'm getting chased. Yeah, you can't get me for real, can you? You fucking
how's that working
bastard.
out for you, bro?
Oh my god. Leatherface is behind me. Leatherface! Whatever the fucking time is. Nah, brother. I'm gone.
Oh, no.
Hell nah, brother. See you later.
Oh my days, teammate. Oh my days, you scared the hell out of me. Don't do that. Bro, this guy, bro, this guy came like from behind me.
Protect us.
Out of nowhere. Scared the hell out of me.
I
thought I was
gonna
gonna die.
bro, I'm chilling. You can't get past this without making any noise. I'm fucked.
Keep coming.
He's right behind me.
I think I can hear him.
Yes. Please fit in that lock. Please.
Yes. He didn't make a large noise.
Oh! Oh, he's right there. Okay. Told you it was based off a true story though. Like I still can't get over that. You really doubted me, bro.
Lad, shut up, bro.
I'm scared. I'm scared.
Fucking shit myself. Who the fuck is that then? Oh my god, that's a killer. That's a killer. I've run
You
into a
should
killer
watch the
again.
original movie, you know, it was actually good.
I'm not watching no scare film, bro. I'll just shit myself.
Oh, I thought you said you...
Oh, someone got executed.
Got executed.
Malik, where did you spawn, bro?
And an execute got timed out. Great, so that means it's a 3v3.
Yeah, and we just gotta try escape.
Need to find a fuse box. And I think I can escape if I find a fuse box. Oh no, this is gonna...
Have I locked it, Tom?
No, never mind. Ooh. You did that a bit too loud. Wait, please don't tell me. Please don't. Whoa.
Our heart's beating like crazy.
Same, bro. Bro, it makes me not be able to see, bro. See, bro. I don't know what I should do. I don't know what the move is right now.
I'm stuck in a room. I'm fucking scared, Malik.
Don't be.
Don't
You should
be.
terrified.
Okay, someone's
Yep, that's me. You're probably wondering how I ended up in this situation.
Oh, dude, fucking, bro. I'm getting chased by enough one. What do you expect, bro? I'm all yellow. Everything's yellow. I cannot see properly. My health is really low. I got attacked by the guy with a machete, bro. And then, oh no! I got both of them on me, bro. I'm scared.
Lad, I've escaped the basement.
Okay, I got both of them on me. Fucking hell.
Lad, you think I care, bro? I escaped the basement.
Fucking hell, I got both of them on me, bro. Got the chainsaw man, and I have, I don't know the next one his name. I have them both
Lad,
on
I'm
me.
outside.
How?
I escaped. There you go, you said you escaped from the basement.
I'm dead. I juked him. Oh, I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm one hit. I'm dead. I'm dead.
Get me in the bush. I'm actually scared. I don't want to do this anymore. Keep still. Oh, you got to keep still as well after you chase me out.
I have them both on me. Fizz.
Oh, I can see you climbing. I can see you for the wall. Oh,
Ain't no way I got. No, don't close it in on myself. Oh, wait, no, there's another killer there anyway. I'm good.
Nico escaped.
How?
Fuck you, bitches.
Brooklyn, tell me how I managed to juke both of them on one bit of health. Like they could have one hit me. I literally went into a room. I went into a room. I went out of it. Like.
Wait, are you dead?
Nah, I'm really low though.
Why am I spectating this guy, bro? I don't want to spectate, little weirdo. I'm spectating you now.
I'm literally one hit. I saw
You got chainsaw as well.
Bro, you should, bro, watch when you check the clip, bro. When you check the clip, yeah, that's a clip in the half right there. I just juked them all. I had two on me, and I just think I've just seen one as well in that room.
Me coming for ya.
No.
I should see what that is.
No, you shouldn't see what it is, mate. You fucking stand there. So you need a lockpick to get out. No, they know where you are. There's a killer right there. That's a killer.
He's AFK.
Well, that fucking geezer isn't in there, mate.
It's raps for me, you know.
You need to get out, bro.
Yeah, but how? Is he camping there? He sounds really loud for me, you know. Bro, well, is there a bait? Is there like a door open I can get out of maybe? Where like?
There's like ladders. You need to go out the ladders.
Very helpful.
There's like a door. Yeah, you have to lockpick it. It's a big blue door. Big blue door. Well, not. It's like a normal size. That way. That door. Go up there. Yeah. Walk past that thing. Don't go into it. Yes. Get outside. That's Oh my god, what are you doing? Oh my god. Malik, you fucked it, you're dead. Bye, goodbye, bro.
Sprint, sprint, sprint. Oh my
God.
god.
Malik, you can get out, Malik, you can get out, Malik, you can actually get out.
Where? Where?
I don't know!
Where?
Just run, there's a guy open somewhere,
Oh,
Hide in the bush, hide in the bush, hide in the bush, hide in the bush.
I'm going for it, mate, I'm going for it.
What are you going for it?
Bro, where is it?
Well, that's not the way, because why are you going back down to the basement? Oh, that's the way off, mate, that's the way off, mate, off. Like, just chill for a sec, chill. Go back up there, yeah, and then go left. Go outside and go left, and you'll see the
Bro,
gate.
it's so hard to see this game. Is there a way to increase your FOV?
Oh. Look, go left. Oh, bro, went straight. Go left. Blue. Left, that way.
Oh my days, no way.
Things that way. Left again.
Brooklyn, bro, you don't know where you're going, are you?
Left again.
I don't think you can turn left.
No, I don't know where I'm going because you went. Oh, I said left and you carried on forward.
I did take the left.
There it is.
Is it
There is
there?
that gate. Yeah.
I bet.
You should be able to open that gate.
You just kept saying left, bro.
Because it was left and you fucking carried on forward. Oh, you got a lockpick. Come on, Malik.
How?
Where it says green. No, wait. Watch the noise.
I know.
Come on, Malik. You gotta find it again.
It broke.
No, you still got a lockpick.
Oh wait, what? No,
No, you gotta find the green area again.
Oh.
Find the gate. No, because you're in a new part. Malik, there's someone behind you. Malik, there's someone.
Teammate.
There's a kid behind you. No, wait.
I'm scared, Brooklyn, I'm scared.
Yeah, no, it's teammates.
Oh, it is.
Right now, on the right. Yes. Right, Malik, what's the noise?
Finally.
No, you have to send it. You just have to send it.
Malik, go. Malik,
Let's go!
God.
Let's go! Yo,
Easy
no,
as that,
teammates
buddy.
need to stop doing that. They're sneaking up on me, bro, and I don't like it.
Now he mad. Yes, sir. He mad third.
Oh my days. That was a
What a
clip and a
shame.
half.
But I said that was a clip enough because you fucking done a guy again.
No, you should have seen the way how I maneuvered around them, bro. I had the chainsaw man and like the old guy chasing me, bro. The old guy, he whacked me 3 times, bro. He whacked me 3 times with that thing. He went dush. And the chainsaw man, he hit me once. It got me real low. I was literally 1 hit. Oh, that was crazy. Yeah, let's not play victim again though. How about that? Why don't we just?
Yeah,
Why don't we stay on them?
Would be killers, bro.
Yeah, I think that's for the best, to be honest.
That's the move.
Yep. No, not because we're scared of that. It's just obviously